Okay, so we're gonna try another test shot. I got the metal projectile in there, and I cut a hole on a new tennis ball, and I've got it in the vise outside here. We're gonna try to launch it and see if I can catch it on film and just see what it does. So I'm gonna hide behind a tree just in case. Not overly impressive. Alright, we're going to try another one. This time without the tennis ball. And see what happens. Now that one looked like it went right far. And I hooked the string line to it. Okay, we're shooting from right there, and it looks like it's gone right far. Let's see. Okay, so basically, it seems like when the tennis ball isn't on it, it goes a lot further. And this time I tilted it so that we're shooting up, and it went up pretty high. So I think we just about got it. I guess the next thing is going to be to take it back there and see if I can get it to launch up over that tree limb. Alright guys, I wanted to give you an update on the string line launcher. And I did another modification to it. Originally I had built this handle right here, and basically it just kind of, goes up in there and sets down in that hole, and you pull it out when you want to put a shell in it. Anyway, I got to thinking about it, and I know that if I leave this like that, I'm going to end up losing it. So what I did, I kind of set that on the back burner and machined out this part right here. This is the outer housing right here, and it's threaded on the inside, and that thread is the same thread as this thread right here. Okay, I machined this piece, which fits inside this hole right here, and then I got this spring. So basically the way it's going to work is this is going to, spring is going to slide on here like this, go down inside of this housing, then this end cap screws onto the end of there like this. Okay, and that makes it so that I can pull this like that. Okay, and this is going to screw onto here like so. And this part will just basically, it'll stay screwed on there, and when you push this back, that spring pushes this in. Okay. When you want to unload it, you just pull that like that down, and that basically disengages it. But when you, after you put the shell in there and you push this in there, then this goes up in there and locks it. And depending on how tight you screw this down is how tight the spring is. So you can adjust the tension of the spring like that. Once you pull this down to release it, then you can slide this on out and put your shell in there. And the spring holds a little bit of a tension on it so that the burl doesn't fall out. Whereas before, when you pulled this pin out, the burl would fall out. So you kind of had to take that into consideration when you was loading and unloading the tool. Anyway, I think it's an improvement that was worth doing, and you know, I don't know. It was worth doing, I guess. Gave me something else to pull with. Anyhow, I'm still working on different launching devices. You know, I tried the PVC and the different ones that I showed earlier. Not sure what I'm going to do next other than continue with testing launching devices. The tennis ball doesn't seem to work. The tennis ball actually cuts down on the flight time, so I don't know why. I really thought that the tennis ball would have just, you know, sailed on through the air, but anyhow, it's not. I may have to scrap the tennis ball part of it, but it's a learning process. Anyway, it's been a fun adventure at the very least. All right, stay tuned.